Hello cryptocurrency miners Web3 blockchain technology. Welcome to today's video, and in this video I want to show you how you can simply claim your MEMFI airdrop to OKX exchange. So if you're from Nigeria, I will advise you not to claim your coins right now. You have to wait for MEMFI to bring other exchanges up so that you can be able to claim your airdrop into those exchanges. But for you claiming your airdrop on OKX is going to give you headaches because right now OKX is not active in Nigeria. So all Nigerians, what do we have to do? We have to wait for OKX for MEMFI to drop other exchanges. All right, so that we can claim our airdrop into those exchanges. Exchanges like Bybit, Mex, and also Mexi, and also BitGet as well. So guys, what you need to know right now is that claiming of this airdrop, the airdrop allocation they gave to us is little, but it doesn't matter. All right, so let's see the kind of price they are going to give. We don't know if they're going to give us 0.5 or 0 or 1 USDT or more than that, so we don't know. Let's not criticize these people. Maybe they will do better than Hamster Combat. All right, so let's just expect something huge from these people. For you to claim off-chain, what you need to do is to just come right here and you click this place. Then what you need to do next is to carry your OKX ID, all right? You paste the ID right here and you paste the MEMFI deposit address, all right? Then you just simply continue. Let me give you a simple example of it. What I need to do right now is to skip, go back to OKX application. So let's go. So once you come to OKX exchange app, you come right here, you click on it. The first thing you need to do is to go to navigate to the headphones wallet, all right? Not Web3 wallet. You are not coming to Web3 at all. You have to switch back to the main exchange. So let me show you how you can do that. So once you come to your OKX app, not the Web3 wallet, you search for the name of MEMFI coin, all right? So after logging in, you search for the MEMFI coin name. So let me just try and log in first, all right? So let me log in. So as you can see, I just logged in. So what am I going to do next is to come on asset, all right? You tap on asset. After asset open, you tap on deposits, all right? So if you tap on deposits, then the name is going to appear. So at the according to the terms of service, we cannot provide service for you. If you have any question, please contact our customer. But this, because I'm from Nigeria, but how can you do that? You tap on deposit, then you search the name of the coin MEMFI. All right, so once you search for the name of the coin MEMFI, then you first thing you will do before searching the name of the coin MEMFI is to come right here. You click up, all right? You click up right here and copy your ID. All right, you tap on this your profile, it will open for you, then the ID will appear. Then you copy your UID. This is it right here. So this is my UID. I'll just copy my UID. Then I'll come back to the platform. I'll paste my UID right here. All right. So after pasting my UID, then I'll go back and search the name of the coin, MEMFI. All right, and copy the address. After copying the address, I'll paste it right here. Then tap on continue. All right. So once I tap on this continue, the next thing that will happen is for them to send those coins to my own OKX exchange. Guys, this video is only for those that are not in Nigeria, but if you're in Nigeria, don't do this. Don't deposit your OKX to this, your MEMFI to OKX, because they are not going to allow you to trade after the listing. So if you really love content like this, also these steps that I just gave to you, you can use it to claim to other exchange exactly like I just did. So if you really enjoy content like this, don't forget to like this video, comment and share. Thank you guys.